Meaning of Honduras.
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 Honduras. Honduras is a country located in Central America, bordered by Guatemala, El Salvador, and Nicaragua. The name Honduras means depths in Spanish, which likely refers to the deep waters off the country's Caribbean coast. Honduras has a population of over 9 million people and is known for its diverse culture, stunning natural beauty, and ancient Mayan ruins. The country's economy relies heavily on agriculture, particularly the production of bananas and coffee. Despite its many attractions, Honduras also faces significant challenges, including poverty, political instability, and high crime rates.